Hi, I'm James Turner, Marine Gear Tester. This is the rope seal hot knife. You fill it with butane lighter fuel, like so. Do this out in the open, where spilt gas can disperse. To ignite the hot knife, you turn the gas on by sliding the large button to the right, pressing the safety lock down, and pushing down the large ignition button. Wait a few moments for the tip to heat. Then you can cut through nylon, polypropylene and polyester ropes, simultaneously sealing the ends so they don't fray. I recommend you cut down onto a scrap of wood, as you're likely to scorch the surface that the hot knife touches. I used our best chopping board once, and I was not popular with Mrs. T. I think the rope seal hot knife is a really useful tool. I've had one for years. It makes sense to keep one aboard, so every time you need to cut a rope or repair a frayed end, you can do the best job possible. You'll find them for sale in chandleries nationwide. Thanks for watching.